Sisters, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Sunny. So you've been seeing my hair looking all nice all the time, but I promise you, it's not like that 100% of the time. Most of the times, I'm struggling with matted hair like you're seeing on the screen. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I deal with it. That has helped me retain a lot of length over the years. So we are going to be needing two things. This process is very easy, really easy, because you do not need to prepare anything. You do not need to make any gel. You just need to get these products from the stores. So we are going to be using two things, and I'm going to be showing you all in this video. The first thing you're going to be using is a conditioner. You could use a leave-in conditioner or a deep conditioner. But before we get into that part, we are going to be doing something a lot of sisters skip out on, and that is the root cause of their problem, and that is sectioning the hair. In fact, sisters will be having their hair looking like this, and the first thing they'll reach out for is a comb. Can almost hear someone saying, but it's a white tooth comb. You can use white tooth combs in your hair. No, at this stage, you cannot use white tooth combs in your hair. The thing you're supposed to do first is moisturize the hair, okay? Spray the hair with water, make it soften up a bit. Then the next thing is to section your hair. You could use satin rubber bands to section your hair. You could use hair clips, but the most important thing is section your hair. I also know some sisters who ask, Miss Sunny, how many sections? It depends on the density of your hair. If you have higher density hair, you can divide your hair into more sections. But if your hair is less dense, you divide it into less sections. I'm dividing my hair into 8 sections. Now, after I've divided my hair into the section, I'm going to finger detangle. Can you see what I'm doing? I'm finger detangling. Up to now, I've not used any combs in my hair. If you are pre-pooing, meaning that you've taken out your protective style, you're about to wash your hair, you want to detangle your hair, this conditioner could be a deep conditioner. It doesn't have to be leave-in conditioner. A normal conditioner, you take it, you apply it in your hair, then you finger detangle, you remove the larger chunks of shed hair. If you're working, you notice that a section is too big for you to handle, no problem. Just divide the section into 2 again, then work on that section. This seems like simple steps, but they make all the difference. It's the difference between losing a lot of hair during your detangling section and losing nothing. Now, after I spray the hair, I apply the conditioner. I'm going to divide my hair into 3 sections. Then I'm going to braid it. Just a loose braid. That's what I'm going to do. You could also twist it. I'll show you how I twist it using oil later on in the video, but you could just loosely braid it before you move on to the next section. One of the reasons why I'm making this video is because I get a lot of comments saying that, Miss Sunny, I cannot find flax seeds, because that's what I normally use to detangle my hair. A lot of comments say, Miss Sunny, I cannot find flax seeds, I don't have fenugreek gel, I don't have this, I don't have that. Now, this is an alternative for you. If you don't have fenugreek gel, you don't have flaxseed gel, you can go ahead and just get water in a bottle and a conditioner. These two things are literally the only thing you need as a beginner when you want to detangle your hair without stress. And as I mentioned earlier, if a section is too big for you to handle, just divide the section into 2 again. The lines don't have to be perfect. When I say divide your hair into sections, some people are thinking that you have to use a rat tail comb to get the perfect line. No, you can just use your fingers. The lines don't have to be perfect. And after you've gotten the section you want to work on, you first finger detangle. That's how you remove large chunks of shed hair, like I'm showing you in the video. Now, one last thing I want to touch on is sisters who say, Miss, I don't have rose water. If you don't have rose water, you can just use normal tap water, my sisters. You don't have to use rose water for the technique to work. You can use normal water, normal conditioner, store-bought conditioner, and apply it in your hair. Okay, you don't have to use the exact same things for this technique to work. And in all your doings, don't forget your edges. Let the conditioner always go to your edges as well. After I'm done detangling, I'm just going to divide the section and I'm going to braid it. Here, I'm trying to separate my hair so I can braid it. And can you see the struggle? It's not easy for any of us, my sisters. The struggle is everywhere. You just have to work through it with the right technique like the one I'm using. Even with the technique I'm using, it's still a struggle, but at least it's better than not using any technique at all. And the bonus benefit is you do not lose a lot of hair when you do the process like this. You do not see unnecessary breakage when you follow this technique I'm showing you. I know another set of sisters who say, Miss Sunny, can you use oil? Yes, you can use oil. Which oil? You can use olive oil, coconut oil, almond oil, castor oil, any good hair oil you can use for this process. And the process we use when we're using the conditioner is the same process, similar process when you are using the oil. section your hair first. Look at this footage, you realize that I didn't cut this part because I wanted you to see how tedious it could be when it comes to sectioning matted hair. Okay, it takes a little bit of effort to get the sections into place. Now when you get your section, you finger detangle like how you see me doing the video. Then you go ahead and use your water on the section. After you use the water, you go ahead and apply the oil onto the section. Work the oil into your hair strands really well. Don't forget your ends, and as you are working the oil, you detangle, you move the big chunks of shed hair like you saw earlier. Now, I'm going to divide that section again into two. Finger detangle it again before I go ahead and twist that section into place. I'm just going to be making loose twists, and that's how I'm going to wash my hair. I'm going to wash my hair in these twists. This process is really quick, easy, and simple. Simple for new beginner naturals, sisters who don't really know their way around the DIYs. This is for you. Water and oil. That's all you need, or water and conditioner. Two products, that's all you need when it comes to detangling matted hair like this. For our new moms, for our working moms who don't have time on their hands to making DIYs, this technique works really well for you too. It's simple, it's easy. It took me about 30 minutes to fully detangle my hair for and prepare it for wash day. And another bonus benefit is, as you are doing this, you're already putting your hair into it. So when you shampoo your hair is into it. When it's time for you to deep condition your hair has already been sectioned and detangled. So the deep conditioning process is quicker. It just makes the whole process easier. Okay. Now, in summary, two things I've told you not to do. One, when your hair is matted, don't just go in with a comb and start combing it. Even if it's a white tooth comb, no, capital no. Section your hair first. Okay, section your hair first. Then you go in with a spray, you go in with the oil or conditioner. Then you twist your hair into place like you see me do in this video. If you are watching up to now and not yet subscribed, please be sure to subscribe. If you learned something from this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. And for the sisters who still have questions on any of the steps in this process, let me know your questions in the comments. I answer all questions I find in the comments. And that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. It's Miss Sunny, and until the next video, I'm out.